bro, just everyone was just jamming bike life, you know, and man, if those kids that were putting all their energy into doing the wheelies up the road came along, bro, and built some pretty cool bonds with these Hoiho, I think bike life, Hooflife, and that's us, yeah. Yeah, I jumped on a horse first time when I was pretty young, back home up north.
Yeah.
Bit of peer pressure. Yeah, I wouldn't say it was really riding, just more holding on for dear life, to be honest. Yeah, and then just over the last 10-ish years, I got him back into it.
You are a good horse.
Hooflife, to me, man, it's just come from nothing. It's a place where I just think you can build positive relationships, our tangata, our Hoiho, for those that maybe haven't experienced them before. I guess I'm the founder of it. It all started when I cruised through Manierewa and got a bit viral via TikTok. So yeah, that's how it all started.
So how long have you been doing your kapa before, bro?
Bro, it's pretty new, like, yeah, I wasn't much of a TikTok user myself, but yes, people were like, brother, you're like on there. And then, yeah, people started reaching out like, bro, do you do lessons? And I was like, oh, nah. And I was actually talking to a good friend of mine, and the idea of why don't you try use it as a way of reaching out to some of the youth in South Auckland.
No.
It was first time road riding, so hopefully it's a good one.
What are actually some of the outcomes we've seen?
Probably learning a bit about themselves whilst doing the program.
Yo.
Like everyone comes in quite shy, quite timid.
Yeah.
And then by the time that we finish working together with the horses, seeing how confident they are. Yeah, especially a lot of Māori. Obviously using Māori throughout the classes and just connecting with them a bit more. It's really visible to see how much they've grown in the short time. From being quite scared of just leading a horse, just walking it, to like really controlling it and having authority and being like, man, I'm the boss. We're gonna do what I want to do today. My bro. My bro. Good boy. Good boy, come on. A lot of talent to ride the bikes the way these kids do.
Yeah.
But you know, a lot of talent and time put into growing a relationship with the horse.
Yeah, no, exactly.
If there's one thing that I've noticed the most, it's that, you know, as they come in, they're quite tough.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, just that real tough wall about them, and then by the time they leave, man, they just like have softened right up.
Yeah.
And you can see like the enjoyment they're getting from it, and like it actually means something. My vision for Hooflife is to be able to run programs, yes, for troubled youth, but honestly for anyone out there that thinks that they'll benefit from it, which I think is everyone. And that's really the end goal, is giving back to the community.
Ko te reo, te take.